Hello all. So in this video we're going to see some of the command line basics which we all need to know. So for that first, if you don't know how to open a command prompt, just go to the search menu and type cmd. This will be the command prompt window. Here if you need to check where you are currently located at, you can just type cd and give enter. So this is the current directory in which you are located at. So if you want to change to some other directory for some purpose, in my case I just want to move to this folder Anonymous Ninja. So just copy the folder path and give cd space and control V so that the path will be inserted here. Now if you hit enter, now you can see the path change it to the current path. So this you have to keep in note the function of cd. And the next thing, if you want to know the files and folders located inside the main folder, you have to just type dir, which will show the directories and files inside it. So here you can see these are the files and folder located inside it. If you want to move inside some of the folders, think it of like this way. So this is our main directory and you want to go one step inside to the one of the folders. Here you can see I want to move to this published folder. So for that just you have to give cd and type published and hit enter. So now we are inside the published folder. So if you want to go back to our parent directory, you have to type just cd and two dots and hit enter. So this way we can go back till the C drive. So I'm going to show you another shortcut for moving into the one of the subfolders. Type cd and we wish to move to the same published folder, but this time type p and press tab. So this will automatically fill the word for you. Hit enter. Yeah. So if you give cd and two dots followed by it, it will go back. Yeah. So finally, if you give clear skin, so finally you want to clear the command prompt, you just have to give cls. Yeah, that's it. You can also make use of change directory command and you can go inside or back. This is all for this video. Meet you in the next video.